Hello, my people. Welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel. I'm your host, SESOTHO, and today, oh my goodness, I am with Elastos Marorike from Zimbabwe. Guys. Hey, we have another black person, but who's not amongst us, but who lives amongst us. Hello, Elastos. We welcome you here at TYCOONseries. So you want us to hear about your breakup story?
Yeah, tabakari nalitsona.
Hayo. Oh, ditaba tsa how di happen ka. Lesotho bo ka pa kwa Zim.
Akadi tshwara go tswa Zimbabwe fitlela Lesotho mona.
So you've been traveling from Zimbabwe with a heartbreak.
Yeah, I can say that.
Then you came here with a heartbreak.
Exactly.
But have you healed though?
As for now, I can't say that I'm healed.
Okay, it's fine.
I think I want someone to heal.
Okay, no, it's fine. Let's just start from the beginning. What happened? What did they do? How could they have such a cute, handsome man like you?
You know, my sister, the relationship thing. Since I jolly at my primary level, secondary level, varsity level, honestly, that's a reality.
Why though?
You
are busy with school.
Focusing.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a guy who is always focusing.
But anyway, it didn't have anything to do with your culture because we don't even know your culture here.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything.
Oh, okay.
Well, my point is, what I think it also affects, and it's a lesson that not dating. I think I skipped there.
Oh, you skipped the stage.
Exactly. I think I skipped the stage. That's what I can say. Kari ndo tsena tsa Mjolo when I was in Harare, Zimbabwe. I dated one of the beautiful girl in Harare.
Mm-hmm.
She was my colleague.
Yeah.
So when I have the relationship with her, it was very good and it was so admirable.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone, even by that time, wasn't have anything, a car or anything. So I was using taxis.
Yeah.
So when I was using taxis, everyone at the taxi rank, when they see me, they know that she's around.
Okay.
That was kind of the relationship.
Oh my goodness. The spotlight was real.
Exactly. So even they see me, they will ask that, where is he? When they see me, they are.
Where is she?
Where is she?
The lovebirds.
That was the kind of relationship that I was
amazing.
in.
That's nice.
You know, I am a guy who doesn't love to date more girls.
Okay.
More than one.
Yeah, a one-woman mission.
Yeah, one.
Okay.
So that I focus. Because my target, I believe that ladies, they like a lot of things.
Okay.
So I was so in love with her to an extent that I was calling her that my queen of my heart. And by that time I used to call her that Queen Floza.
Yes.
So that when I see her, I used to see that, oh, I have a beautiful woman. Here comes the relationship. I put in my heart. Mutenik morata nan. Kapilo yaka kaofela, So ake morata to aloke.
Okay, let's rewind. When did you come to Lesotho?
Kifitile monana, it was 2013.
2013.
Yes.
And then when did your relationship end with her?
With that one, it ended because of distance.
Oh,
Yes.
because you came this side.
This side.
Okay, yeah,
So-
now I understand. No,
Yeah.
like I was trying to fathom the fact that you're speaking Sotho so well,
Exactly.
Sesotho so well.
Yeah, exactly.
So now I'm like, okay, this person was Sesotho hamonati, and then how long has he been here for? But now I understand. You can continue, don't worry.
Yeah, so ake ratana le motho ena na ke ne ke ratana le ena ka tsela yo mo ena ya hore ake batho mo kopantsha. Ke sa tsebe hore yena o busy mo kopantsha. Ke taba ke ne ke sa bona.
Back home.
Yeah, exactly.
Eish.
So
mo no tle ka ditaba tsa mosebetsi.
mona ke tle ka taba tsa mosebetsi.
You're trying to work hard for her.
To support. Even when I was in Zimbabwe, I was making sure, if you ever be in a relationship that your boyfriend, my beards, my hair, I cut every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I'll make sure your hairstyle it must be changed after every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So ke motho ene ke mo tsotella ka tsela eo nngwe tjena ya hore I was
I understand.
like you understand. Yeah, I like when you say that you understand.
Yeah, because I do.
So distance, I can say the distance, maybe what I used to do to here because of distance, you know, when you change the place, there are some challenges.
Yeah, that's true. Because now, little trust issues, see, because now you're like, okay, fine. It's been an hour. He never takes too long to answer my messages, and now it's been 2 hours and he hasn't,
Hi. So from there, I just say, no. When I went home to visit her, I found out that she was dating another guy.
How long did you take before your visit?
It was like a year.
Only a year, okay.
Yeah, a year without visiting her.
Yeah, but you've been keeping in touch, you've been contacting and everything.
There was a communication breakdown due to my finances.
Oh, so when you came here, things weren't as awesome as you thought they would be.
Exactly.
Okay.
So to call her internationally, it was expensive for me. So by that time, for money.
I understand.
You see. So when I went back home, I found out that she's dating someone.
And then how did you feel? I understand, because now she was your first love.
Exactly, that was my first girlfriend.
Okay, so now she's dating somebody.
Yeah,
how did it feel? Did you get to meet up with her? At least how you feel?
Instead ya hore a buele na hantle na njwetsa hore ai ke move on.
I've moved on.
Yeah.
And then what were her reasons of moving on?
Uno sa nletsetse uno sa buele na ke bona o tshintshile o fetoile.
Well, can you blame her? Because now I need to also not judge her because I wasn't there.
I didn't blame her.
Yeah.
But lebaka ne le ra hore ke qetela ke ba le decision ya hore let us depart. So ketela ke mosiya Zimbabwe. Ake mosiya Zimbabwe, I took some few months. Or high kwatwa sheba motho, but akusabathi motho wa Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Because the relationship ya Zimbabwe is ketela in sokodisa in iketela in kwisabohloko.
Yeah.
So ke ketela ke sheba motho mona Lesotho.
Is that so?
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
Yeah,
and how did that turn out to be?
Hey, you know how love it is. And if you are only moto asa jolile batho abangata. Ke mufumane motho and into ke ibone monana inele ifapane into ya Zimbabwe. Hey, afihlile Lesotho no le monate.
Yeah.
O fere Lesotho monate. How?
I'm so interested.
O yemisa chere o iratang. Ha una nako ya o mutsetsa hore ke a o rata. Instead, what's what you think o rata le bima. It's something heavy that you. How kopana le motho a motle, it's not easy for a man to say I love you.
Especially because ummona le motle, but it doesn't have anything to do with the heart.
Exactly. The outer part. So I'll propose that you almost say ngwana wa Lesotho mjetsa fela kopa no more. How near no more it's darling.
I'm so hurt.
Exactly.
I'm so no, it's so painful.
No, it's not painful.
No, it's painful
but
because
Lesotho you have the love that I like.
Is that so?
Exactly.
Please tell me more, because now I was starting to feel so angry that maybe you're not an easy target, but at least walk me through the love you
know, you can say easy target because I'm a foreigner here. So when you're a foreigner, you know how it is. It's so easy to propose. So when you're a foreigner, you can just go and propose wherever you want.
Because they believe you have money.
Exactly. And the money reflects
everything that you are.
Exactly.
Are you a scammer? Are you a kidnapper? But all they are about is okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
But tell me, how was love different from Zim? Like your love this side and then love from that side.
I can say the love was totally different.
How so?
In terms of engagements, the way you engage to a woman Yeah, it's different.
How so?
honestly.
Because
the,
now, if you like, now there's a boundary. Arohanya, le other. We are all black, but now there are cultures. And then there's a Zim culture, then there is a Sutu culture. I want you to break it down to me.
no, what I can say is the only thing which differ is the cultures. But you know, if you're a man, you have to control a woman to love you the way you want. If you're a woman, you have to control a woman the way you want your guy to be, even in terms of dressing. When I came here, I can say that I was a formal guy, but she turned me to be a casual.
Nah.
Now I'm wearing jeans and what, no tuck-ins and what.
You get to be yourself.
Yeah, I became the way she
So
was.
can we agree on this one? So it means that side you're restricted.
No. Not
Okay,
like
you're
that.
not restricted, but now you have to be binded by the culture.
Exactly.
Because now you can't be, I can't be different.
You can't be
I
a
need
Zim.
to be.
When you're in Lesotho, you can't be a Zim.
Okay,
You
now
have to
I
be-
understand.
When you're in Rome, you do what the
Yeah,
Romans
that's
do.
okay. I understand. So
Exactly.
in Zim, it's like that. You have to
Exactly.
abide by the culture.
Exactly.
Because if you don't, then now you are something else.
It's all email.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to understand.
I am in a relationship. I'm expecting that I'm gonna be in love, and I'm gonna be healed.
So in Lesotho, you got heartbroken as well?
Exactly.
How so?
Until now.
Hi, Bo.
Listen to my story.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be so heartbroken also. You feel for me. I know you have the heart. You can also feel for
I
me.
do. I have a heart.
All right, let me tell you.
So
the
long you
story.
don't cry. Please don't cry.
I don't cry.
Okay.
I'm a man. Men doesn't cry. They just
Is that so?
feel the pain.
Okay.
Yeah. If you see a man crying, you refer it as a weakness.
Okay, no, it's fine.
But let me tell you what exactly happened here. in
Yeah,
Lesotho.
like how you broke down, like you got your heart broken because of Mjolo in Lesotho. Because now you got your heart broken in Zim.
Exactly.
And then we were like, I'm gonna get my rest.
Exactly.
I'm going to enjoy my life now. I'm going to relax. But now there is
It's
Mjolo
another blow.
heartbreak 2.0.
Aish,
Please
very
tell me more.
painful.
Please
Double
tell me more.
kick.
Please tell me
Like
more.
boom boom.
Mhm.
Aye.
Please
I
tell
can
me
tell you
more.
about.
Uh-huh.
Okay, listen to me. When I was in a relationship with a lady, you know, I'm kind of a guy who date a woman not for anything, but if she's down, I have to be under her shoes. I have to be on her shoes. So when I'm dating that lady, I want to lift her up, to put her on a level that I want, which means I have to sacrifice. So when you love someone, you have to sacrifice. I sacrificed. So I have to sacrifice that as a man, I have to see that there is no hauna raka. Mutu waka hana bed.
Hana
Mutu
needs.
waka hana anything. You see?
Now I need this woman to have everything.
Exactly.
Because she deserves it.
Exactly. So, haki sheba ndo tsenana kine ki qetela ke re mutu waka ema ko rekele raka. Ema ko rekele bed. Ema ko rekele jag ena ya obe ya metsi. So that I will hlapha. Ube metsi atsi wo futhumala ka pele o ska emela gase.
That's true.
So ka ke kene ka tlung ke shebe hore king ndo ya short. Iseng hore ka etsa ka change, but with the little that I have, sacrifice
Ne.
for my lady.
Anyway, that's what life is. You have to sacrifice and compromise.
Exactly. Right. How you are also not expecting anything back.
That's
You're
true.
just doing it
Well, some
out
people
of love.
some people expect something. But if it's real love, you don't have to expect anything in return.
That's it. That's why you
So
became
you-
heartbroken.
Yeah, so you were doing it like wholeheartedly. You were saying, I'm loving this woman. So
Exactly.
I want this woman to have everything
Exactly.
because she deserves.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know how le monana ke motho a tsamayang. Ke ya bo Botswana, Gauteng, different places for to buy my stuff. Ha ke bona motho wa ka ke ne ke qetela ke mo jwetsa hore no, o ska sebetsa. Ko batla o ruta hore o ska ba sebeletsa ditoro tsa batho.
But okay. Well, I have a question on that
Yeah.
because I don't know. I'm an independent woman.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna have a different view on you. So I want to know, why did you want her not to work?
No, ha ke re a ska sebetsa ke ne ke sa boele hore a ska ya mosebetsing wo.
Oh, okay.
But ke taba ya hore ke ne ke batla hore a e sebeletse.
Okay. Now you are coming where I want you to be, because now I wasn't understanding. I felt like you were saying you wanted her to be a trophy wife.
No.
Oh, okay.
So a ke sheba ke ne ke re a isebeletse a be le di business da hae. So ha o botsa motho what is your passion, a o jetsa passion ya hae ke mo o focusa ka ntho tsena.
No, that's true.
So that a kgone ho fulfill dream ya hae, so that she can do whatever she likes. So ke qetela ke mo nka as motho wa ka ke re then ka mo ruta dibaka di re kwang dinto Gauteng ka bochipa a fitla rekisa monana, and some part of my business like ke ne ke rekisa dipara.
So she was also
So
selling
ke
clothes.
mo fa di clients business kaofela including clients.
Yeah.
Ke re motho wa ka etsa
Go iphumane.
Hey,
Know
it's
yourself.
something,
You know.
so that you ska depend on
Explore.
me. And nna ke fokotsa.
You know what? No, because I'm doing this because now I'm actually saying I'm impressed, because most of the Nigerians, I'm gonna categorize you guys
Exactly.
under Nigerians, ne? Because most of the kind of the tribe or the culture, they have this thing or tendency
Exactly.
of wanting to control women. They don't want an educated woman or a woman who is willing to explore. They want a woman that they can just curb and then say, you know what, I'm going to teach you this and you have to only know this. Because now I'm impressed that you were allowing her to spread her wings.
Exactly.
Be somebody else.
Exactly.
Better. Okay, now you can continue.
So I put on the position that you can do anything. You know, it's not easy to just say someone else amrati mufa dinto zao.
You can't.
Kumufile business and clients. So I sheba ke qetela ke bona hore no business ya hae nana e hloka koloi. So I ended up like for the money, let me start paying the car
No, you didn't.
at my cooler.
Wow, that's amazing.
So that she can also going dibaka like maften for deliveries, moalisu kubutabuta but kacha snack. So ketela ke mo rekera koloi ke mo thusa.
Yeah.
In fact I saw reking
Yeah.
that I helped her to buy the car.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. On some other level.
She only put the small amount. You
to say
understand?
I'm purchasing this
Then
car.
the other amount it's me who sacrificed to put that.
And
with a
please
vision.
bring me up to speed. And then how did she not be grateful for everything that you've been giving her? I mean, like, I would be so grateful. I know myself. I would be so happy to see somebody pushing me towards my powers or anything.
That question, I even ask myself the same question. That why she can't. That's why you see me being
What did she do?
The car, when I helped, it was for a business. But only to find out that the car is now misused.
How so?
The car, she was a Facebook person.
Yeah, like I am.
The guys on Facebook, you know, the friend requested from the guys. I don't know what's happened for me to find out that the password for a Facebook account. Right. I'm driving. I took her. She doesn't have the capital. You see what is happening? I'm with her driving from Joburg. She forgot the phone like in the car at the border.
Okay.
That when you are driving, then she left the phone
In the car.
in the car. She went to toilet. As a guy, when you see the phone, you say, no, I want to release the handbrake. Let me remove my darling's phone. Only to find out on the screen, you see the whole screen of the phone. Kitty chats like the boyfriend.
No, it can't be. Daddy boyfriend. How did you see that? Get daddy boyfriend? Because oh my goodness, I'm going crazy right now.
Kujetse. How sheba monana? Uba motho wa hore unana ke wena fela o le mong.
Exactly, especially because you're doing just so much for her.
Ha ke nahane hore motho wena o tla hloka eng kapa eng.
Shit.
So how sheba screen o bona hore hi ke the boyfriend. Why push hape? O bona hore ke the boyfriend. And it's only the update that I am in Joburg. I am with my driver. Me as a driver.
Okay, okay, let's rewind. So you are the driver?
I'm driving here to go and buy a stock.
No. So you are the driver?
Exactly.
To the boyfriend.
To the boyfriend.
You are the
the driver.
But you are the person who just uplifted her.
Exactly.
But now, shit. And then how did it feel? You know.
You know, I am a guy who says that I can't beat a woman. I don't kill a woman. If it's about money, if it's about love, but I understand that there is forgiveness. Baby, stop this thing.
So you forgave her?
I forgave her.
Just like that?
Exactly.
That's nice.
Let's carry on,
that's
sweetheart.
not nice because now you were hurting.
Exactly. Let's carry on, baby.
Yeah.
We pushed.
You think maybe she will have the decency?
I thought maybe she's gonna change.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't change people, only God does.
Mm-hmm.
So when I looked at her, I said, no, sweetheart, stop this thing.
Yeah.
Because mm-hmm. So stop it.
Now you are thinking for her when she's not even thinking for herself.
I'm even feeling for her that if she can't stop this, it's gonna be a problem.
Yeah.
So no. Can you just sit down with her? I prepare a dinner for her and everything. I invite her. You know this one? What do you call this one? Penyamo.
But did it help though?
It didn't.
It didn't.
Yeah.
So let's come up to speed. What did that leave you and her?
No, before I leave her, I just forgave her and gave her another chance. She asked me for another chance.
You gave her.
Exactly. So you find out that this lady, the moment she is asking me that baby, kukupa unrekele wardrobe, is the same message which is
those same
to
men.
Those guys. Only to find out that there was a time when I found out that no, this message comes to me and it went to all those guys. And the phone, it's me who is local with the lady. I'm always with the lady most of the time. So the lady, she came, when I'm talking to her, I'm telling her that, no, baby, let's go and buy the wardrobe that you want. When she bought the wardrobe, she's taking the photos and send to those guys.
That I bought the.
Look at the amount that comes to your account.
Yeah.
But 4,000, 3,000.
It's very painful. It's very, very painful.
It's very
so,
painful.
But what did you learn from this whole thing?
I'm so heartbroken to an extent that I don't trust a woman.
Are you still broken?
Yeah, I'm heartbroken.
So you don't trust a woman at all?
I want to.
Now you are like you're just dating for the sake of you're just saying I'm
not even dating, and I don't want to date. I don't trust a woman. Look, these two women, what they did to me.
Wow.
I don't even think that there's a woman who is trustworthy. I don't believe that true love exists. I want to focusing on God. That way I can get love. There is not a woman who can come and say that, Andate, I love you, and make me believe that. I don't know how they can convince me.
Honestly, I am so sorry because, well, I think I've had my fair share of this Mjolo heartbreaks, ne? But I still have that tiny little feeling, of saying maybe there is always somebody out there for us. It's just that we haven't found that somebody for us. Because there are women who don't love money as much as other women do.
I can't say that I buy love. No.
Like right now,
you're
not even
there's
compromising
no true love.
for
Is there any true love here under the sun? Is there true love? Or there's only true love in heaven?
You know what? I'm not going to answer that because
I want to ask you, are you in a relationship?
I'm married.
You are married. How is your relationship? Are you enjoying the relationship? I don't believe people, they enjoy their relationship.
I can't answer to that, but you know what? I'm going to say, you know what? Batu Barona TYCOONseries. This is our guest, and he is still so hurt.
And I'm still heartbroken.
Yeah, he is still so heartbroken. He's still going through a lot. And you know what? Maybe behind the scenes, I'm going to suggest something that might help you, you know.
Like,
I can't say on air, but I'm saying behind the scenes, I'm going to tell you something that might help.
meaning
now,
you want to?
No.
Maybe.
No.
But I don't believe
no,
that.
it's not gonna be like that. But
Okay.
hey, our people, TYCOONseries fans, same time, same people. Your host, Matsidiso Tshilwane, and then we don't know where to go. We don't know how to work around the Mjolo heartbreaks, but it's too much.
Isothileza boka otakijile nakoyena yosho nontula unkene agamachaba nonsuna gedikene Facebook mona ge batu ba gedikomela ena ya bola hola moya azozanga tuwe kabongolele mona azozanga tuwe kabongolele mona